Alright, hi guys. It's Labor Day. Tomorrow's the first day of school. Well, Red still has to go to school because he's been bad. Just gonna have to go to school on Red. Oh, there you are. It's time for school. Okay, Red's gonna go to a friend's and he's gonna go to a friend's after school. And he's gonna call us when he gets there. Gotta get these shoes on. Can't wear these since they're broken. Really, they really broke. Alright. Tomorrow is my first day of school, so just go get in the car. Garage light. That dog needs to stop turning on that light. Okay, wait for Mom. Okay, put your seatbelt on. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay. After Eddie dropped Red off at school, he came home. And after Red's school day, Red came home. Home like this. What's going on? God, the bird, he even behaved today. Very proud of him. Wait, what is this? What the? I don't remember those there. When we left, way early, like 8 hours ago, Mom?
Yes.
There is, like, some coins in the kitchen room.
Yeah.
I don't know where they came from. I don't remember them when I left.
I don't think they were there.
Okay. Knock, knock, knock. Who can that be? Alright, just go do something, Red. Okay. Knock, knock. Okay, chill your horses. I'll be right there. Oh, no, this is not going to be good. Oh, hi, officer. Oi. How you doing today? I'm good. How about you? I'm good. Listen, okay, you know why I'm here? No, I don't know why you're here. Your whatever robbed the bank. What? He did? Did he? Yeah. Please come in. Don't worry, my dogs are gentle about stuff like this. Okay. Red, did you rob the bank? Yes, I did. What? This minute! Ow, 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 ow. Red, Red, you are so grounded for what you did. What is with you? Get him like police car. Thank you for letting me arrest him. You're welcome, officer. Red is totally getting a punishment day. Maybe in the next video, he'll get a punishment day. I can't believe this. Well, I guess I'm gonna think about Red's punishment day, and I'm gonna video it while he's in jail. So, see you guys soon. Bye.